Hello everyone. This is another edition of Papa's Garage. Just going to show you a little more progress we've made on the GMC project. Let's walk on out here to the new area here. Well, first off, I got to kind of show you the boo-boo pile here. It's kind of cost me almost a week worth of work here. I had installed all this on a frame, and I'd had to come off because I had made a boo-boo. Anyway, first I'd kind of like to show you I made reference to the transmission mounts that are on that Allison transmission. And here's one of the transmission mounts here. This is just to give you an idea of what these are the three mounts on your GMC. You can see the size of that rascal there, and that's one of four. The motor mounts are even beefier than that. Another thing I'd like to show you is the control arms. This is a stock GMC lower control arm and upper control arm. These are the control arms that I'll be using. These are from the 1 ton. These are a forged piece here that are just tremendously stout. You can see the end of this where the 1 3/4" torsion bar goes into these in comparison to this stock GMC arm. Those will never twist out. Yeah, this is what I started with. I started just making really a rudimentary jig. I was able to use an old frame I had. I jigged this all up. I got jigs for the upper and the lower control arms. This was for the shock mount, and this is for a snubber. They use a snubber to limit their travel on the Chevy and GMC 1 ton trucks. Okay, over here, give you an idea of what's going on. When we talk about putting a 1 ton on, we're really talking about putting a 1 ton on. As you can see, it's got the 1 ton control arms now, using the 1 ton shock, using the 1 ton snubber and everything. All this has been grafted on. As you can see, that's the snubber. It's limiting upward travel. It's considerably beefier than the original one, than the original was. You can see the torsion bar. I've put the torsion bar in here just to give you an idea how it's going to go. It'll be a little bit further outboard than our GMCs did originally. Well, I can see it's inboard. I'm sorry, but anyway, no, I'll take it back. It is outboard. I'm sorry. There we go. And anyway. We'll walk over to the other side here and give you a better idea of the pieces that have been installed. This is all beefed up for the lower control arm. It does sit down quite a bit further than the originals did. The original GMC had their lower control arms at a kind of a strange angle. These are parallel to the ground, will be parallel to the ground. You can see the upper shock mounts and the lower. These lower truck control arms are almost the same length, but the ball joint is about 5 1/4 inches off from the GMC. So the whole control arm essentially had to move forward about 5 1/2 inches. This is about the position of the back of the original control arm, or rather, pardon me, the front of the original control arm. Now it's up here. So you can see the distance it's had to move, had to reconfigure the cross member and everything. But I think it's going to be plenty strong, and this will be a little bit different. So I guess that's about all we have for today. Then, thank you for watching.